Hey, welcome back. This is Rolf from HostSlim. Thank you very much for listening and looking at our new products and services we have been offering for a while. So for a while, as you can see here, we have been offering cloud VPSs for a few months now. We have created an own cloud platform where clients can create their own cloud VPSs. So the whole idea is that you get a cloud package, and with the cloud package you can create as many VMs as you want, divided over our virtual private server platforms. So let's say you want a VPS in location Lelystad and you want it to have a certain amount of RAM, certain amount of CPU, or maybe your site gets really busy with new clients and you want to upgrade. You can do that all in a panel instantly within a few seconds. So that's great. It also includes DDoS protection and instant setup, of course, because you create the VMs yourself. So let's start and let's show you how you can set up your own cloud VPSs. Once you order the cloud package on our website, you get service in your client account. This is your client account. It's a test account right now. But you click on the button Services, and when you click on the button Services, you go to the My Product Services, and you see a VPS cloud. Right now it's a test cloud, but that's for the test account. Well, when you click on the services, you get the Managed Product, and there you see the virtual private service overview. And as you can see right now, there are no virtual private services yet. So also you see the resources here. You see that I have assigned a basic cloud package to this account, and you can see there are 4 CPU cores, 4 GB of memory, 500 GB of disk space, and 5 TB of bandwidth, and 4 IP addresses yet to be assigned to a virtual machine or a chef for virtual machines. So let's show you how it works with the panel. When you click here on Add New Server, and when you click on Add New Server, it goes into the interface where you can create your own cloud VPS that will be installed instantly on our VPS nodes. So right now you can here click for a host name. Let's say it's test.domain.com, your website, and you want CentOS 7. You can also click on location. Right now it's called OpenVZ, but it's the location Lelystad data center in the Netherlands. Here you can generate a random root password, and you can copy it or save it as well, just how you like it. Then you can insert a certain amount of RAM you would like the VM to have. Let's say you want the VM to have 2 GB of RAM, and you want this VPS to have 3 cores, and you want 400 GB of disk space, and you want 1 TB of bandwidth, and you want 2 IP addresses. And if you'd like, you can also install cPanel monthly or yearly to the VPS if you'd like, and host a control panel or anything like that. So right now you can click on Add New Virtual Private Server, and the VM is being created. It takes a few seconds for the VM to create, and it takes a minute or so for the VM to boot on the system. And you will see what you can do with the VM via our own control panel, or how to manage it. It will show shortly. Right now it's still loading the VM. As you can see, the VM is now loaded into the portal. You see the status is still offline because of course it's booting and it's not really online yet, but it will be online shortly. So when you go back in your control panel and you would like to manage the VPS, or maybe add new VPS, you can simply add a new VPS, or maybe sync the 2 VPS together to have one big VPS. It's all possible. When you click on Actions, you can put actions on or basically execute actions on the VPS, and you will see which kind of action you can command via the control panel. Here you see the status online because the VM is online right now. You can see the node name, you can see the host name and the main IP address and the original IP addresses, as well as the IPv6 IP address that are assigned to the VM. You can here change your root password if you'd like or if you need. You can see your bandwidth usage, your memory usage, and your HDD, your storage usage. And here in the left side you can basically manage your VM. You can boot it, reboot it, shut down. You can open the console if you're somehow locked out and you need to stop the firewall or whatever. You can basically log in via the console. You can enable, turn and tab, or you can disable it. And as additional tools, you can upgrade it, or basically or also rebuild the VM when you need to rebuild it, or want to expand your VM within your cloud package, no problem. You can also click on the button Graphs. I hope it is loading right now, and it should be showing. Now it doesn't show, but after a while, an hour or so, it will show your network traffic, your memory usage traffic, and your load average on the VM. So you can basically maintain your whole VPS easily via your own cloud platform VPS on HostSlim. And this is basically how the system works. And when you would like to upgrade, you can simply upgrade your package via the upgrade button, and you can basically upgrade your VPS via this portal. So if you say, well, right now it's getting quite busy on my web shop or whatever, you can basically assign a VM more resources, or as many resources as you need within your cloud package. So it's a very great new possibility in the HostSlim product portfolio. It's a great solution for clients that are looking for scalable solutions, and that's why we created this. And it's great stuff. You can just try it out. We have a 14 days money back guarantee. So if you don't like it, just shoot in the ticket and we will be refunding you. There's no problem at all. And well, let's say happy playing with the VPS and you can test it out. If you would like a cloud VPS package for testing for 3 days or something, no problem. You can simply open the ticket on your client account and we will give you access to the portal so you can basically test it out. Thanks very much for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.